Hi, just thought I'd pop up to one of my permissions for a few hours this evening. I have been here once before and found a couple of Roman coins, a few little buckles. Anyway, I thought I'd pop back up, see what I can find. Anyway, I'm going to crack on. Okay, so I got my first little target. And at first it looks to me like a loom weight, but it's led around the outside, but it looks like it's got some sort of a bit of iron that was in the middle. So, not sure if that is a loom weight or not. Huh. Oh, we'll keep going. Right, just got this little, I think it's a part of a buckle here. That gave off an absolute cracking signal. I'm going to have a go over the hole again quickly, see if there's anything else in there, but yeah, that was really loud signal for something so small. It was about 4 or 5 inches deep. I'll have a quick look over it, see if there's anything else in there. Nope, nothing, not getting any other signal. That must have been it. Right, just got this one, just below the surface. There's a button. What does that say on it? Can't really tell. I have to get a bit of a clean up. Just got another little buckle here. Oh, where is he? Look at that. All the buckles seem tiny that are coming out of here. I haven't had anything big at all. Anyway, let's keep going. Right, just got this and that. It's a little lead pot mend. So that would have plugged into the hole and then, well, would have plugged in when they poured the molten lead in. Right, let's hope I find a coin soon. A Roman one. Well, I've walked about another 10 yards or so and I've got a coin. I suspect that is probably a grotty Roman. Like, I found a few other Romans up here the other day. I suspect that is. I don't think I'm going to get anything off it. It looks pretty shoddy. But I'll have a go and see if I can get any detail off of it. Keep going. Another coin here. Came out quite easily. Just a penny, I think. 1921. I'll take that. Right, just pulled up this little coin and I can't tell what it is. It's too flipping dark. So I'll have to clean it up when I get home. Not sure what it is at all. Looks too small to be a farthing, but I might be wrong. Anyway, I'm going to make my way back to the car, detect, see if I can pick everything else up on the way back. But apart from that, I think that'll be it. It's getting pretty dark now. Another penny. Can't see hardly anything now, but I am so close to the car now. Okay, just thought I'd do a quick roundup of me finds. So I got this one here, which is a well, I thought it was a loom weight, but I don't know now. It's led round the outside, but there is a bit of iron to it, iron in the middle. So I don't know. If anyone knows what that is, if you could let me know, that'd be great. I had this one here, which I think is probably a Roman coin. I've had a few others up there, but I mean it's grotty. I ain't gonna You're going to get anything off that. I had a few of the larger pennies, Victoria, Georgia 5th, a couple of modern pennies. I did have this here, which is a little token, and on it says Bell Fruit, 2.5 pence token. But when you turn it over, it says Bell Fruit 6D token. So yeah, not seen one of those before. Couple of nice little buckles. I did have this here, this button, and that says, I think it says GWR, so I don't know if that's Great Western Railway. Obviously that's not far away from where I am, so but yeah, I was hoping to find some better stuff, but never mind. I'll have another go out there again soon and post up what I find. Anyway, right, see you next time.